Hi everyone, Gothic Witch here. I thought it would be great actually today to talk about what you can do as an altar for Freya. Mine is fairly basic, but this one, if you can go by these standards, and that would be, if you were looking to do an altar, the colours depend on the aspect for Freya. The fertility goddess is greens, so any colour green for Freya. The love goddess, which would be golden and rose, they're really nice colours actually to put together, because you can get like bronze sort of golden, and you can get like copper rose. For Freya, the warrior, white and red. Obviously red insinuating blood, maybe, or maybe it's just the colour red, but it would indicate the battlefield, so yeah. For Freya, the goddess, the one that is mystical, I would suggest a sort of deep purple grey. Freya as a maiden, as a daughter, you might be able to use sort of pearl whites and blues, very pale blues, or like ocean blues, shimmering hues of the colour of sand. Now that's all good because you go to different beaches and sands come in different colours, but you can get the idea that sand is sort of a fawny sort of beigey colour, or even golden, so, or even white on some beaches. Now symbolically, you can use symbols which indicate, like, you can use cats, gold and amber, which we've already said, and you know, if you can get hold of an amber necklace, which is Freya's necklace, that's even better. You know, I mean, you don't have to go stick to it. I mean, you can ask her what she wants and she will talk to you, but you have to obviously communicate and you have to contact her. But these are general things that we know about her. Suggestions of figures of cats, as I just said. Cats, obviously she has cats, so I have a little statue normally, what I put on, which I haven't put back today. I wished I had, but there you go. There's a cat. Yeah. Food and drink. Now, I find that's great, especially on her day of the week, which is Friday, to put an offering. I have got a video on my channel that talks about offerings, and you can leave an offering of drink and food, her foods that she likes. So like sweet wine or mead. All the gods and goddesses like mead though. Sweet pastries, strawberries, particularly if they've been drenched in honey. Who wouldn't like that, eh? You know, there's all sorts of things. You can also put high quality stuff. Things, when people give an offering, they don't always think they get, oh, I'll give a little bit of that biscuit. No. It's an offering is something that you would like yourself and maybe can't have, but you pay out or you grow or you do something to make that offering available for the god or the goddess that you can't have. And it's always got to be of high quality and organic if possible, because they expect the best. If you're giving an offering, it's a bit like giving a birthday present. If you like the person, you buy them something really, really good. If you don't, well, something rubbish. Anyway, service offerings. Now, service offering, that's a difficult one. Service offerings are things like when you help somebody out, So like, instead of giving food and drink, you could on that day actually do some shopping for an elderly person, or dig up the garden for someone, or help them out in some way, like with housework, or giving them a lift somewhere, or you get the general attitude, yeah. So there's that to it. I'm just trying to think. But honestly, you can't go wrong with these colours. And I mean, on my altar I put lots of candles because I like light. I always have a drinking horn. I always have a pentacle. And I always have a statue of her, but I always have the statue of her in her mystical appearance, because being a witch myself, that's what I actually relate to. I also find that if you can, a morning prayer, which is brilliant, you know, you can start with a bell or a rattle. You can rattle, or you can take a bell. Just do that. The bells summon the gods or the goddesses, so you could just meditate and then like that, and then you say the prayer. Now, a morning prayer can be something like Freya, goddess of gold, or Freya, goddess of love, help me this day, give me this day to do your bidding, help me to walk through this day with a pride in my step. Help me to do things that are good, to aid my neighbour with confidence and with power. Goddess Freya, and ring the bell. Bless me with the insight of a witch, to be able to use my gifts to aid others this day, to the marrow of my bones, that I may be a person of worth, because, you know, why are we on this planet? So as the eyes of the gods look upon me, may I not stumble, and may I not bring dread. And the sweet smell of success, of the joy and love and help that you can bring to others, may I also radiate the most wonderful satisfaction of transition of love and joy and truth in my prayer to you this day, my gracious goddess, a great and powerful goddess that you are, that I mirror who you are in my life throughout the day. If I make mistakes, Freya, bring me the realisation of what I can do to not do that again, and to help me to get through the day, whatever it may bring. And when the day is done and is no longer here, then please aid me and restore me for tomorrow. And then you can ring the bell again and say, thank you, Freya, so mote it be, or as I would say, House of Verlang. And that, my friends, is a very short video on what's supposed to be on the altar, and a quick prayer to Freya. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there, and thank you to any new subscribers. I really appreciate it. Leave me comments below if there's something specific that you would like. I'm not actually on the video at the moment because of my ill health, and until I am well again, I will not be appearing on the films myself. But when I have my sight back fully, I will definitely be back behind the camera. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed it. Take care of yourselves. House of Verlang.